Hi everyone, in today's video we are going to make a program which is going to ask us for our name and then going to print it. So first of all we'll see how we can print anything. So open Sublime Text. You can also use idle. I'll be using Sublime Text, so it's good if you use Sublime Text. You can also use other IDEs. So first we'll just use print statement, which is print. You can print anything. First we'll save it. I'll save it on the desktop by test.py. The extension py is necessary for Sublime Text to know that this is a Python file, and it's good to use a py extension because when you run it from command prompt you need that, and when you are writing code in this you need that. You need it pretty much everywhere. So first of all we are going to print hello world. We'll save it, we'll run it, and here's the output. So this is how you print anything. Now we are going to ask for an input, that is your name, and then we are going to print it. So first of all we are going to say name is equals to input, and then we are going to ask. You can also use double quotes or single quotes. I can use double quotes over here, and I can also use single quotes over here. I'm going to use double quotes because I want to use your, like this. Your name is, and then question mark, and then we are going to say can use plus here, and we are going to say your name is, or we are going to just say what is your name. What is your name, and then it's going to say your name is. So we'll just run it, and here you can see what is your name. It printed what is your name. In the input statement we can also print. After printing anything, it asks for a input. We can give it any input, but it won't work because Sublime Text doesn't support input statement. I don't know why. So we are going to run it from command prompt. It's very simple. Just copy. First just type Ctrl O to open any file. You use Ctrl O. I am going to use it this way. Then hit Ctrl L and then type in cmd and hit enter. The command prompt will come up and it's in the same directory. It's PC desktop, and this is also C user and desktop. Then we are going to type in Python and then the name of the file, that is test.py. Then we are just going to hit enter, and it's going to ask for a name. Then we are going to give it our name, and then it says your name is. Sorry for the noise. Maybe I'll record it another time if the noise is very high. Whatever. So this is how the statement worked. We can also run it one more time for a slow motion. Then it's going to ask us for a name, which is this line of code, that is what is your name. Then the input, because this is the input statement, and we are going to tell it our name, and then hit enter, and then it's going to say your name is, and then name. You can use commas here, sorry, like this. You can use commas. What does comma and a plus, what's the difference between them is that if you are using a comma, a space will be allotted between this string, this part and this part. If you use a plus, they are directly connected. So if you can see over here, the space is more, and here the space is less, because here there are two spaces and here there is only one space. So this is how input statement, print statement works in Python. If this video helps, let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video.